Aini na Kikuyu celebrities nimeyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene mũno gũcakaya ndeto ya Kîeha kũrĩra kũmatunga hwaĩ wa ira na makiũmĩrĩria Simon Mwangi Mũthiora ũrĩa kwa ihinda rĩrĩ atigĩtwo na Kîeha na ihoru inene mũno hamwe na famĩlĩ yake. Ona nginya Ngugi wa Karanja MC onake nĩarĩkĩtie gũcakaya ndeto ya Kîeha mũno, kũrĩa a few days ago he shared some very sad news ciĩgiĩ gĩkuũ gĩa father mũrata wake wa hakuhĩ mũno na onake ũroĩkaine mũno nĩ aini matiganĩte, but sadly he perished in a road accident. Ndeto itigĩte aingĩ magĩcakaya na mena maithori, na Ngugi wa Karanja shared this painful message and goodbye message kũrĩ Father Gabriel akiuga a very sad morning, having received sad news of the demise of Father Gabriel through road accident. Father Gabriel was a parish priest at Karati Parish, Naivasha, Nakuru Diocese. He was a very humble servant of the Most High God. My sincere condolences to his family, parish, and the entire Nakuru Diocese family. Hurũka ũhoro Father Gabriel. Our deepest condolences kũrĩ family ya Father Gabriel. Arohurũka ũhoro. Na onake Simon Mwangi Mũthiora last night shared some very sad news akiumbũra he has sadly lost his dad ũrĩa akoretwo agũmĩirwo nĩ ndwari ya cancer, but he has sadly succumbed at the age of 76. Na Simon Mwangi Mũthiora took to his Facebook page where he shared the sad news. Oho agĩtarĩria ma his dad was a very extraordinary man, mũndũ ũrarĩ na wendo mũingĩ mũno kũrĩ andũ, so much kindness, so much laughter in him, but sadly agĩkorwo akũgũmĩrwo nĩ ndwari ya cancer which he had been battling, but sadly he is gone. Na Simon Mwangi agĩtarĩria nginya mafans na arata ake arĩa thutha ũcio meyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene mũno kũmũmĩrĩria, a Karango wa Mũraya ona nginya Karanja actor Karanja a Wakarĩndĩ wa Ndeithi, othe makiũmĩrĩria Simon Mwangi Mũthiora na famĩlĩ yake during this painful moment. Na Simon Mwangi Mũthiora shared this akiuga, dear friends, it is with a heart weighed down by sorrow that I share the news of our dear dad's passing. He was a warrior to the end, but after a valiant battle with cancer, he has found peace at the age of 76. My dad was an extraordinary man, a beacon of strength, love, and kindness. His laughter was contagious, his wisdom boundless, and our memories with him are treasures we will carry forever. As we navigate this time of mourning, I find comfort in the thought that he is now free from pain. I want to express my deepest gratitude for the outpouring of support we've received. It has been a pillar of strength for my family and me. His last wish was for all of us to go for cancer screening. He had become passionate about it and would repeatedly urge us to spread that message. I will keep you updated. With a heavy heart, Mwangi X Mũthiora. Baba wao arohurũka ũhoro na condolences citũ. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.